Good day, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. We are going to talk about different web or graphical user interfaces called GUIs on Python. If you're interested in this sort of thing, you can always go over to learn about algorithmic trading. We'll be building a interface for this. And you can go over to quantlabs.net/DVD to learn more about it, to get your web or physical DVD, which can also be retrieved from Amazon. Also, if you just want to get some free trading books, you can download those at quantlabs.net/book. All you gotta do is just enter in your information and you're good to go. All right, so let's get over to this fun stuff. So if you go over to my channel at YouTube, QuantLabs, what you'll know is that you can do a search for WX widgets. I have looked at pretty well all the other widgets out there. The widgets or different graphical user interfaces, including Qt, Tkinter, which is another popular one. I like WX widgets because it's true open source. There's no limitations on commercial distribution, unlike in Qt. Tkinter, there's some talk about that. I can put these in the blog post, why maybe to use wxPython over any other graphical user interface out there package for Python. So I found a really good link here to just demonstrate the power of it. If you go over to zcode.com, you can take a look at this Tetris game. I'll just run it. You can get the source code there, but if you go into and download it from their website, it's pretty simple. Just like any other game, but very simplified, true open source. And as it runs, here we go. So, you can do all that fun stuff that you know about Tetris. I find that pretty cool. So, that I find is pretty cool. So some of the other advantages, this is a true open source widget library built in C++. With a Python package that layers over it so you can interface with it. It's fairly easy to install with the instructions that you can find on their GitHub as well. So I thought I'd just put that out there to show you what I'm doing. And here you can find this link here at Jan Bodner Python examples, and pretty straightforward stuff to install, and you just do a pip install wxPython and you're off to the races. And if you need to see that, it's done through here. Pip 3 install wxPython. That should do it. Which it's already installed, so pretty straightforward stuff. And that's pretty well it. Okay, so hopefully you may get something out of that, and we shall talk to you soon. Have a good day.